Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete titles from the Netflix continue watching list. So here I've already on Netflix on my computer, and here I want to remove movies from my continue watching list. So if you want to do the same, just follow these steps right here. So you can just find the continue watching list on your Netflix. So here is my continue watching. So if you let's say I want to remove this from my continue watching list, so what you need to do is just add your cursor into the movies or the shows that you want to remove on the continue watching until they will pop up like this. And in here, what you need to do, there will be this cross icon under the title, so you can just click on this to remove it from the continue watching row. Click on that, and in here you can choose to give them a reason, but I'm going to just click on just cleaning up. And just like that, the movies or the shows will be deleted from the continue watching list. And so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. Bye.